Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to remove channels, create channels, and also create roles, different roles to mess with the server that you're going to be doing. So we're going to start off here with our @bot.command, then async def, then we're going to call it remove to remove the channel. We're going to get the context of the message. We're going to do channel underscore name. Now we're going to check to see if the channel is actually existing. So we do existing equals discord dot details get ctx dot guild dot channels and then we're going to have the channel name equals channel name. That's it for the first line of code. Now that we able to check if the channel is an actual channel, we're gonna delete it. Let's do if existing is not none. We do await existing dot or underscore channel dot delete. No, we just have to do existing dot delete. Make sure that's half right. Yeah. I have no idea how to fix that. That's here. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Now that deletes the channel, then we can do else. We're gonna have it print out to the actual command prompt. You don't want it to send a message because then people might get a little suspicious from it. So we're just gonna do print like no channels named. I'm just gonna put it like this: no channels named. Because I'm a pretty simple person, so if something messes up, I can just go back and fix it real easy. And that's basically it for removing channels. Now, if you wanted to, if they had multiple channels and the same thing, you would have to copy it, or the basically copy this here about true, and just replace this with the wait existing dot delete, which I doubt. And if the server has one of those weird names for channels, you can right click and copy the ID, and it'll work just the same as typing out the name. Now we're going to go to our creating voice channels. Now you can either do voice or text channels. Nothing insane. Text channels, you could just basically copy this and this, change this to like channels, whatever you want. Take this, and that's about it. And you basically can make a bot just like that, and this too. Because this, I'm pretty sure that both of those work together to make get the custom names for the actual channel name. But you could do it very simple this way too. So what we're gonna do here with our bot dot command. Also, the reason why we do bot dot command and some might have client dot command is right here. This is our prefix case here. Nothing insane about it. Some people put client here, and some people put bot. I prefer bot because it's a lot quicker to type out. But you might just have to change bot to actual client or whatever you have this set to. Then we do async dev create. We're going to do ctx arg equals string. And we do guild equals ctx dot message dot guild. Oh, kite can get a little weird sometimes. We do discord dot utils get s dot. Now this is for your categories. Now if you want to have this set to like a specific category, you can just come here and type that name out, whatever you want it to be. Right now, we're just at this test server, so we're just going to come here and copy the ID of voice channels. And then all we have to do is put that up here. I'm pretty sure that would work. If not, you just have to copy the name. It's pretty simple. And we do channels equals await guild dot create underscore voice underscore channel. Now if you wanted to create a text channel, just change this text and this to a category for text channels, and then you have one. Simple. This we just make arg, and then category I can type, and that's it. That's how we do create. Make sure you spell it right too. So that's how we create voice channels. Now also, if you don't want to, you can remove this line here and this, and that way it'll just create a voice channel on any specific channel or anything. Fairly simple. That's the thing about it. Now we're going to go on to creating roles. Oh, wait, before we go into that, let's so if you want to create this as a forever loop, you can. All you have to do is just come here, do while true. And then, if I'm correct, that'll go on forever until you stop the bot, at least. Now we're going to get into our creating roles. Start with our simple first lines of code, pretty simple. Now the name there, what we have to have this is for the name of the role. We'll do guild equals ctx dot guild. And all we have to do is guild dot create underscore role. Name equals name. That's very simple. Now, if you want to, you can do it while true. And that will make the bot create rows infinitely. Now just come here, run it in idle. No errors so far. Grab our Discord. We're going to start off with remove. Let me create channel. Exclamation point. Remove. hello. As you see there, it removed it. Now, if they had multiple hello chats, or if somebody raided your actual server, you would make this as a while true, and you can also copy the ID of the channel and say remove this. Excuse point remove. What channel is named that? Alright, so it looks like for some reason you can't do that. You can change the roles and stuff with people through the ID. I don't know why it's this, but you can just copy and paste it or make a forever loop. Next, what we're going to go on to is our create. It's our voice channel. Actually, I'm not going to use this. This is just to be able to make it so you can put in a specific category. Say if you've gone into a server and you want to create a custom channel or a custom voice channel, you can set it to instead of popping up right here, it'll pop up down here. Because normally what it does is it just goes here, but it'll create it here. Nothing insane. So we're going to do create. We're just going to do GG. Oh, we got a problem. No problem misspelling. Make sure you spell everything correct too. Copy this. As you see about true loop, the only way to stop it is to stop the program. Now, nothing insane. You can have up to 500 channels. That includes all voice channels too. That's what about true loop does. If you don't want to have that going forever, you can just delete this and move this back, and you should be fine. Now for the roles, as you can see here, we go to the roles. Nothing here. So we can do a role. Gotta start the bot up too again. Nothing insane. You go here. It just keeps on creating the roles, as you see here. Now, if you wanted to have like some custom message saying, like join my server, you copy this, and what you can do, basically something similar to this, is that you can make it send a message like this. This gets this 2 lines here. This gets the channel that was just created, and this sends the message in there, which just sends at everybody. But if you wanted to make the role something like your bot name, your Discord, whatever you want to say, just remove this. Put quotes there. I'm pretty sure we don't need to worry about the name itself. Yeah, name it. Alright, so then I guess you would have to remove this here too. Oh, great. Alright, guild. I don't think it will probably work anyways with that, but if you want to, you could do await in any channel. Await CTX send. Put this in quotes, and it'll just send this. Fairly simple. Yeah, I know you could probably do it with voice channels. I'm not 100% sure, but that's it for this video. Next video, we're probably going to go over how to mute, ban, kick, timeout every user in the server. So then, I'll see you guys later. Hope you have a good day.